That is rare quadriflex Toshiba, made by Japan headset. Very great headsets. Let's see how they work.
Shake till you get a little soft. Show me your mama made her. Go ahead, get a little low. Shake that boot in the car.
They work
Shake
like
that boot in the
small
stop.
speakers.
Pop it, stop it, drop it, pop it. If I hit a Lexus sky, I'ma rock it. I ain't got no power, I can't be low.
Nice lighting.
You weren't heard from the start. Twerk. Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw twerk. I don't really.
This song was originally released in 1990, but still packs the dance floor to this day. The drums and vocals will give it away, so let's start with the bass line. Then those synth stabs. Alright, here comes those identifiers.
That is nice headsets by Toshiba Quadriflex, through 4 channels. Thank you for looking. Good luck.